This dance is called Wings to Fly. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to walk forward 3 steps, right, left, right, kick the left, just a small kick forward, and then walk back, left, right, left, touch that right beside the left. So there's no weight on that right, it is just resting there beside that left foot. That set of steps once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Now the choreographer has provided some styling steps to go with this very first section. So what you can actually do, I'll show you sideways on. As you're walking forward, you will raise both arms. Walk, walk, walk. Obviously I've only got one arm free. When you kick, you will click your fingers and then you walk back, and as you walk back, you lower your arms. Left, right, left, touch. So styling steps to go with that very first section. So you're now going to step the right foot diagonally forward to the right, touch the left beside the right. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Step the right diagonally back to the right, touch the left beside the right, then step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. So you're kind of making a bit of a S shape on the floor. So you're going into 4 corners. Try that once more, off on that right. 7, 8, step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch. So again, the choreographer has given you some styling steps. When you do your touches, you can also clap at the same time. So you'll do a step, touch and clap, side, touch and clap, back, touch and clap, side, touch and clap. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch. You're going to add on some vines. So you're going to vine to the right, so you step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, touch that left beside the right. Vine back to the left, so you step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, and this time we're going to brush the right forward. So gentle contact with the ground, with the ball of the foot, and your foot doesn't need to come up very far at the end of that brush. That set of steps once more then, vining, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, brush. Let's add that to the top. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, brush. From your brush, you're going into a rocking chair. So you're going to step forward on that right as you rock forward on that right, rock back and recover your weight on that left. The right then moves back as you rock back on that right, recover your weight on that left again. So really important that your right foot moves from the front to the back, but then your weight ends up on that left foot. So it's a right-footed rocking chair. You're then going to add on a couple of heel struts. So you're going to step your right heel forward, lower the toe, then you're going to make a quarter of a turn to the left, As you step your left heel forward, lower the toe. Now set of steps once more then. Rocking chair off on that right. 7, 8. Rocking chair. Heel strut, heel strut. So remember you're putting that quarter of a turn to the left on that second heel strut. Now once again in this section the choreographer has given you some optional styling steps that you can do with your rocking chair. So as you're doing the rocking chair, I'll show you face on. What they've said to do is make a bit of a circle, if you like, with your arms going around inside to outside, palm facing out. So both hands will do it. As you do your rocking chair, rocking chair. So let's just do that section once more with the styling steps should you wish to add them in. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8. Rocking chair. Heel strut, heel strut. End of the dance when you get to that part. Let's put it all together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, brush, rocking chair, heel strut, heel strut. And you're ready to start all over again. So that is your dance. We'll now go through the other 3 walls. Walking forward off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch. Step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, brush, rocking chair, heel strut, heel strut. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, brush, rocking chair, heel strut, heel strut. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, brush, rocking chair, heel strut, heel strut. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to bit music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, brush, rocking chair, heel strut, heel strut. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, brush, rocking chair, heel strut, heel strut. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, brush, rocking chair, heel strut, heel strut. Walk, 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 kick, back, 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 touch, step, touch, side, touch, back, touch, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, brush, rocking chair, heel strut, heel strut. Waltz. Set touch. Vines. Rocking chair. Walks. Step touch. Vines. Rocking chair. Walks. Step touch. Vines. Rocking chair. Walks. Step touch. Vines. Rocking chair. Hope you managed that one.